Hello everyone, so this is the Alicia Souza planner which is 2026. So this time I have ordered this super value box. This is not the trio box but it is the super value box in which you get only the planner, as I will show you. Wait, see, this is so beautiful. It is the illustrations made on the box. They are so pretty, you can see. Now let's go inside the box. So in this super value box you only get the calendar, the main planner which is the planner 2026, and a few pens. There were 3 pens in this box. Let me show you. So these are the 3 pens which we get in the box. A photo frame, right? A keychain, in which it is written "Trust the Becoming." Right. Next is the 2 tags. These are the 2 tags, pretty tags. 1 bookmark. It is a cardboard type bookmark. It is of very good quality. Wait, I will show you. It is of leatherite types. It is made up of leather. You can see the thickness, right? You will put into the sleeve of the book on the book. And 2 pencils are there, pretty illustrated pencils. And the most important is the 2026, that is the wall calendar. In this thing which I didn't receive is in the super value boxes, the table calendar, right? So now one by one I'll be showing you what I got. Let's just first discuss about this beautiful 2026, which is the main planner of 2026. It comes in this illustrated box with cute illustrations all over it, and they are kind of embossed. You can feel these things with your fingers and they are so pretty. When you open the box like this, first you get this butter paper on which this glittery golden work is done, like the same cover above. Then comes the thank you note that you have ordered this planner, and the cute little pocket planner in which you can see cute illustrations are being done. So many beautiful you can say paintings are there. So this is the first page of this planner, which is calm in prison, before we start with the January. So this is a pocket planner in which there are not like proper sheets are not there. In this you get a whole monthly planner like this, and you can write whichsoever important thing is there on some specific date or something. You can write on this. See, for February. Then comes March. Then the quarter changes. So this is April 1, like this, and cute illustrations are there, as you can see, this mini embossed painting. And one good thing is, like, in the pocket planner also you get the pocket behind this planner so that you can keep the bills. If you're traveling somewhere and you're writing down the expenses, so you can keep your bills over here, just like the last year. It is similar like the last year. Okay, so now the sticker book comes. In this there are so many stickers. This time I just don't like the stickers. I don't know why, but considering the amount which we are paying, the stickers are just so normal. See, no fancy stickers are there. I just like cute stickers. Only on the last 2-3 pages the stickers are different. This one is just like the last year one, and the last two pages are beautiful. You can say these are good, right? Now coming to the main 2026 planner, for which I have ordered this whole set, was just because of this planner, because I like to journal my days in this. So only buy this if you are like someone who likes planning a lot, because otherwise it is too costly that you are wasting your whole money for this, right? So this is the 2026 planner. You can see on this also there is one shiny cover pasted on the main cover. And now this year this is in the yellow theme. Last year it was in the blue theme. So let's just see, open the planner and just check how is it. So it comes like this. The wonderful face of the person who cares for the planner. Now you can paste your own picture. The planner belongs to you. Have to write down your whole name and all your personal stuff. Now the holidays which are going to come in 2026, you can see over here. Personal information chart. Coming to the next page, thoughts and memories and dreams this year. This is the you can say envelope in which you are going to write what you are going to predict about your future, like for 2026 this year, and you are going to fold this, right? And you are this is to be like, see, you can see it is like to be opened on, right? You can see it is to be opened on. You have to write the date and year in which you are going to open this. So this is kind of if you are manifesting something, so you can write over here. Now the 2026 goals you have to write. Now my ideal day routine, morning, afternoon and evening and night. Now this was not there in the planner last year, but this time they have mentioned this. Coming to the main months, they have started like this in the January. This time they have made the main slip of this January like this in this cut form. And over here also you can see in January intentions are there, top priorities and quotes for the month, which was not in the last year like this. It was a blank page. You can see in my last videos there I used to create illustrated images or very beautiful artwork I used to do over here. Next comes the January month. This is the whole spread of the January month. Right here you can write what are your priorities for this month, on which day what you are going to do, like for the overview of the month you can write over here. Next comes the, you can say this main planner starts from here, right? So this year you get like this. Thursday it starts from, this is the main second page, 3rd, 9th, 12th of this month, and then 16th of this month, right? 19th, you can see the background color this year it's not same on each and every page, and the background texture has also been changed. This was not like this last year. In every month the texture was almost the same. This year they have made the texture different. And the last is in this month is what you get is monthly habit tracker. Like you have to write your habits, then to note, do more of, do less of. Then the periods tracker is also there for the girls. To-do list is there. Earlier there were not this dots over there. Last year the simple chart was there, but I like this page a lot. In this you can write your personal home to-do list and your office to-do list separately. Now the meal planner, which I generally don't use much, because in India you all know that it is very difficult to plan the meal in advance. So this is the February month. Now I'll show you for each month the main cover. For February month, for March month, for April, for May, June, then July, August, September, October, November, and the last is December. So these are the whole monthly spread. But this year what I didn't like is the illustrations which you can see above these pages. See, they are not that beautiful as compared to the last year. See this onion one. I don't know what is so special in these onions. I just don't like it at all. Butterflies, cups, teacups are there, right? In this sharpener, pencil, eraser is there. I don't know why she has created like this year. Earlier they were so good. Only few of them are good. The cactus one is fine. The pussy cats and the fishes, see, they're not that good also. But one thing which I like this year is the planner. You can say this is so sturdy. This was coming out last year. I was not able to keep it on my planner's back. Actually this cover was coming out again and again. This year they have made it sturdy. You can open it and close it from anywhere, right? So it has become easy for us to use. And the last thing after the last month is the year in a review. You can see year in a review is there, year in planning, and last page is the dotted one. And you get a sleeve over here also to keep your bells. If you are writing down something or some important things are there to be kept, you can keep it here. Now this is the wall calendar for this year. Desk calendar I didn't get because in the super value box desk calendar was not there. So this is their wall calendar. You can see over here it's like this, right? There's one tag attached with it so that you can open up the pages. So this is for the January month, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December one, right? And here you get some few sticker sheets as well this year. And you get one pocket over here also in the main calendar, wall calendar. This year I like the wall calendar a lot because the monthly spread like this, you can see over here, it is really nice and convenient to write the things if you are going to do something, right? If some date is important for you in some context, you can write over here also. The columns are big enough so that you can write. So this was all about 2026 Alicia Souza planner. This time I have ordered a super value box. This was for 2400. This was not the trio box. Earlier it was for 4200. It only contained extra table calendar which I didn't feel I required this time because it was not of my types. I can say the last year one I have used it like this. I have pasted the slip of Monday Tuesday. I have changed these weekly spread, you can say. So it is working for me good. And this year I have compared many you can say 2026 planners. So I'm having one more which is the Supple calendar, which is from Supple Room. It is 2026 calendar from Supple Room, and one more undated planner from Doodles. So I'll be sharing a video of those also. I'll be comparing these two also with it, so you can see in my next video which one is good for you if you are buying. And like cost wise also I'll be comparing them. So if you like my video, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to my channel Blush and Doodles. Here I do create content like this on the stationery stuff, and the beauty content is there. So thank you. Bye guys, thanks for watching.